How to make money with Redbubble. Want to earn money by selling your designs online? Here's how to make money with Redbubble. First, create a free account and start uploading your artwork or designs. These can be simple graphics, quotes, illustrations, or niche ideas that people would want on products. Next, choose what products your designs will appear on, like t-shirts, stickers, phone cases, posters, and more. Redbubble handles all the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. When someone buys a product with your design, you earn a royalty on each sale. You don't need to manage inventory or handle any orders. To increase sales, focus on niches. Think about trends, hobbies, memes, or specific communities that love buying unique designs. Upload consistently and experiment with different styles to see what performs best. The key is volume and creativity. More quality designs mean more chances to earn. Start uploading today. Stay consistent and build your passive income through Redbubble.